Hi, good day, how are you? I hope you guys are in good health. Welcome again to my presentation slide for Chapter 2 Corporate Strategic Management module. Today, I will be presenting Course Learning Objective 2. Organize Corporate Strategic Analysis Session. Strategic analysis of an organization is an essential factor when it comes to formulating a plan for the smoother working of your company. Strategic analysis refers to the process of researching an organization and its working environment to formulate a strategy. Strategy making involves entrepreneurship efforts such as 1. Searching for opportunities. 2. To do new things, or 3. To do existing things in new or better ways. Strategizing also involves 1. Picking up on happenings in the external environment and 2. Steering company activities in new directions dictated by shifting market conditions. Here are activities involved in crafting strategy. 1. Studying market trends and actions of competitors. 2. Listening to customers, anticipating their changing needs. 3. Scrutinizing business possibilities based on new technology. 4. Building firm's market position via acquisitions or new products. 5. Pursuing ways to strengthen the firm's competitive capabilities. One of the most important roles of the CEO and the senior leadership team is to develop and successfully execute their company's strategic plan. One of the most important roles of a board is to provide input during the development of the plan and vote on its adoption. Strategizing, an individual or team responsibility. Teams are increasingly used because 1. Finding market and customer-driven solutions are necessary. 2. Complex strategic issues cut across functional areas and departmental units. 3. Ideas of people with different backgrounds and experiences strengthen strategizing effort. 4. Groups charged with crafting the strategy often include the people charged with implementing it. A diversified company has two levels of strategy: business unit, or competitive, strategy, and corporate, or company-wide, strategy. Competitive strategy concerns how to create competitive advantage in each of the businesses in which a company competes. Task of corporate strategy. 1. Moves to achieve diversification. 2. Actions to boost the performance of individual businesses. 3. Establishing investment priorities and steering corporate resources into the most attractive businesses. A single business strategy exists when a company derives more than 95% of its revenue from a single business activity. As that percentage decreases, a business is said to be following increasingly diversified strategies. Task of business strategy. 1. Initiating approaches to produce successful performance in a specific business. 2. Crafting competitive moves to build sustainable competitive advantage, developing competitively valuable competencies and capabilities. 3. Uniting strategic activities of functional areas. 4. Gaining approval of business strategies by corporate-level officers and directors. Task of functional strategy. 1. Game plan for a strategically relevant function, activity, or business process. 2. Detail how key activities will be managed. 3. Provide support for business strategy. 4. Specify how functional objectives are to be achieved. Now let us look at the task of operating strategy, which are 1. Concern narrower strategies for managing grassroots activities and strategically relevant operating units. 2. Add detail to business and functional strategies. 3. Delegation of responsibility to frontline managers. Uniting the strategy-making effort. A firm's strategy is really a collection of initiatives undertaken by managers at all levels in the organizational hierarchy. All the various strategic initiatives must be unified into a cohesive, company-wide action plan. Pieces of strategy should fit together like the pieces of a puzzle. Strategic planning is a process in which an organization's leaders define their vision for the future and identify their organization's goals and objectives. The process includes establishing the sequence in which those goals should be realized so that the organization can reach its stated vision. Implementation is preparation and putting elements of the strategy into place. Execution is the decisions made and activities performed throughout the company, with the objective of meeting goals outlined in the strategy. Monitoring, evaluating and adjusting as needed. Taking actions to adjust to the march of events tends to result in one or more of the following. 1. Altering long-term direction and/or redefining the mission/vision. 2. Raising, lowering or changing performance objectives. 3. Modifying the strategy. 4. Improving strategy execution. Thank you, we have come to an end of the course Learning Objective 2. Please go through my presentation and note down areas that you need your industrial coach to explain to you in detail. You may ask him during the live session.